Ethical considerations in financial engineering. Welcome to the fascinating yet complex world of financial engineering, a field where advanced algorithms and market behaviors intersect to create financial products and strategies. But alongside innovation and profit lies a critical question. What are the ethical considerations in financial engineering? Ethical dilemmas in financial engineering. Financial engineering often involves the creation and implementation of cutting-edge quantitative models and strategies, which have the power to revolutionize markets, optimize resource allocation, and offer new investment opportunities. However, these innovations can also give rise to significant ethical challenges. Financial engineers must navigate a complex landscape where their decisions and actions can profoundly impact individuals, institutions, and entire economies. Market manipulation and fraud. The first ethical dilemma is market manipulation and fraud, one of the most pressing and visible concerns in financial engineering. Market manipulation involves deliberately influencing the price or trading volume of financial instruments to create an unfair advantage, often at the expense of other market participants. Financial engineers, with their deep understanding of algorithms and market dynamics, are uniquely positioned to design strategies that could cross ethical boundaries. For instance, pump and dump schemes are a classic example. In these schemes, the price of a financial asset, such as a stock or cryptocurrency, is artificially inflated through false or misleading information. This generates a buying frenzy, only for the manipulators to sell off their holdings at the peak, leaving unsuspecting investors with steep losses. Another notorious tactic is quote stuffing, where traders flood the market with large volumes of fake orders. These orders are quickly canceled after creating the illusion of demand or supply, confusing other participants and potentially manipulating asset prices. Such practices are not only unethical, but also undermine the fundamental principles of fairness and transparency that financial markets are built upon. The consequences of these actions extend far beyond the direct victims. They erode investor confidence, destabilize markets, and may lead to regulatory crackdowns that stifle legitimate innovation. For financial engineers, the ethical considerations are clear but challenging. Transparency in algorithm design and implementation is paramount. Engineers must ensure that the models they create are not used to deceive or manipulate other market participants. They also carry a responsibility to report or resist any unethical practices within their organizations. Integrity in trading practices is non-negotiable. Beyond compliance with laws and regulations, engineers must embrace a proactive commitment to ethical behavior. This includes anticipating how their algorithms could be misused and building safeguards to prevent such scenarios. In doing so, they not only uphold market integrity, but also contribute to a financial ecosystem that is fair, reliable, and resilient. By prioritizing these principles, financial engineers can balance innovation with ethical responsibility, ensuring their work serves the broader good rather than short-term exploitative gains. Conflicts of interest. These occur when financial engineers or institutions prioritize their gains over clients' interests. Examples include proprietary trading, where firm strategies may clash with client welfare, or performance bonuses that encourage short-term, aggressive decision-making. To address this, disclosure of conflicts is essential for maintaining transparency. Engineers should prioritize fairness and act in the best interest of their clients, even at a personal or corporate cost. Algorithmic bias and fairness. Algorithms, if not designed carefully, can perpetuate biases, leading to unfair outcomes. Examples include biased credit scoring algorithms that disadvantage certain demographics or trading algorithms that create unequal access to market opportunities. To combat this, financial engineers must identify and eliminate biases in their models. Designing inclusive algorithms ensures fairness and equity for all participants. Privacy and data security. With the increasing reliance on data, safeguarding sensitive information is crucial. Data breaches can expose individuals to harm, and misuse of personal data without consent violates privacy rights. Robust data protection measures and ethical data use are essential to build trust and comply with privacy laws. Impact on market stability. Financial engineering innovations like high-frequency trading and derivatives can destabilize markets. Flash crashes caused by algorithms are a prime example, as are complex derivatives that magnify systemic risks. Engineers must manage risks effectively to avoid market disruptions and take responsibility for systemic impacts to ensure market stability. Transparency and accountability are fundamental. Providing clear explanations of algorithms builds trust, and engineers must be accountable for unintended outcomes of their strategies. Corporate responsibility in financial engineering. Corporate responsibility extends beyond compliance to ethical leadership. Financial engineers play a pivotal role in shaping corporate practices. Let's explore how they can contribute to a more ethical industry. Designing ethical financial products is crucial. Transparency and suitability for investors should always be a priority. Engineers must avoid overly complex products that mislead or harm investors. Ethical trading practices are essential. Algorithms should operate fairly, and strict monitoring can prevent manipulative practices, ensuring market integrity. Fostering a culture of integrity within organizations sets the standard for ethical behavior. Leadership and ethics training can inspire integrity throughout the industry. Responsible innovation ensures that financial products and strategies align with long-term societal benefits, while proactively addressing potential risks. Advocating for ethical standards by participating in policy discussions and regulatory reforms can protect investors and promote fairness. Fairness in algorithmic decisions is vital. Financial engineers must identify and address biases in algorithms to ensure equitable outcomes for all stakeholders. Lessons from real-world cases. Let's learn from history. The 2008 financial crisis revealed the dangers of misrepresenting risks in mortgage-backed securities, leading to a global economic downturn. The LIBOR scandal showed how manipulation of benchmark rates could erode trust in financial systems. And the GameStop short squeeze highlighted the evolving challenges of financial engineering in the age of social media and algorithmic trading.